Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take one trade with our price action strategy. We'll explain you in detail about the strategy as well as the setup so that you can apply the same while trading. So let's get started. I'm going to analyze 1 minute candlestick chart. As you can see, this is 1 minute candlestick chart and we are trading with an 86% payout ratio. So right now, as you can see, market is in downtrend. This is the run, as you can see, and this we will call it as the retracement phase. First of all, I will increase the time because we are going to trade for 5 minutes by analyzing 1 minute candlestick chart. So right now, as you can see, market created a resistance zone. This is a resistance or a supply zone, you can say. So this whole region is a supply zone, but we'll use the resistance. And so market is at the resistance. I will remove it first. I will let me check with the Fibo level. So this is the high and low. So as you can see, market is it was very near to the 61.8, which is golden ratio level, and previous resistance was also near to this same level. So all in all, and one more thing here, if you look carefully, you will see that there is a whole number, which is, as you can see here, which is 139.700. So market is on the resistance level as well as we have the whole number itself. So this is a strong zone. We have to wait for the market to act accordingly. Right now, I'm in the favor of market reversing after some time, but still market is not in a mood and I don't see weakness in the market. So we are going to wait for that, but I'm going to place my trade in the downward direction. That is for sure in this particular trading setup. So what I will do, I'll wait for the market to get weak, and with good reversal confirmations in the downward direction or maybe the bearish confirmation, I'm going to go for a 5 minute trade in the downward direction. Right now, market is at the resistance and it is showing some reversal sign. As you can see, this is the week. So it's going to take some time. I will fast forward this video to save some time. So let's wait. As soon as I take the trade, I will start explaining you the setup in detail. So let's wait. So we have taken a 5 minute trade here. We got a confirmation candle. This is a bearish reversal pattern, and market also broke the horizontal level of support, which is the recent support level. Market was at the resistance zone, or you can say at the supply zone. I waited for the market to get weak. You can see the weakness here. Market was trying to go up, but it failed. We got rejections from the upper level, and as soon as this candle formed, I placed the trade. Now let's wait for the result and let's see what's gonna happen. I will, after this trade is finished, I will try to explain you why I took this trade. So overall, I took this trade because market was at the extreme level of resistance. This is an extreme level of resistance, and market, like you can see here, it was hard for the market to go up, and I also think that some retracement is required here. We got this bearish confirmation, a Marubozu candlestick pattern, which was also breaking the recent support which was formed here. So according to the price action and the candlestick pattern, this shows that market should be falling furthermore and it should be hitting this support trend line, and that's why I placed this trade. Although it is risky, it is a little bit riskier because I don't for the last 1.5 month, I'm not following the reversal strategies from the extreme level, but still, as you can see, the market was weak. We got candlestick confirmations as well as some levels in our favor, and that's why I placed the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will try to explain you one by one with all the steps that I have taken before taking this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. Now let me explain you one by one all the steps that I have considered before placing this trade. So in the beginning, when market was somewhere around here, I was interested in placing a trade in the downward direction. The reason is simple, because this price action that I have seen here was showing that market wants to fall down, but it turns out that market goes up and it hit the extreme level of resistance. Now I didn't got any opportunity because the price action was not in our favor. I waited for the market to reverse, but as you can see, market reached till the height of this extreme level of resistance. Now as I was in the favor of market falling down, I was still interested when market was near this extreme level of resistance to place a trade in the downward direction. But in see, there are certain things that you have to consider before going against the trend, because here, if we forget about the past, this is an uptrend market. Now in order to place a trade in the opposite direction of a trend, you need to have a strong level of resistance or support, some weakness in the market, as well as candlestick confirmation. Now here in this case, as this is an extreme level of resistance, it shows that yes, this is a strong level and market can reverse from this level, but there are no surety that market will going to reverse. So in order to see, we got the extreme level, which is a strong level, but market cannot bounce back instantly. The momentum needs to be dying, then only the buyers or the sellers, that in this case the sellers, can prepare themselves that yes, now they can move the market in the downward direction. So you can see here that as soon as market was approaching to this resistance level, it was getting weaker. The wick size was getting smaller, as well as the rejections from the wick you can clearly see. So the second thing was fulfilled when market got weak. This was the weakness, as you can see. Now as the market is weak doesn't mean that you can place a trade. See, if market was weak here, I could have placed my trade somewhere around here, but I didn't do that because we need to have some confirmation, yes, that the sellers now are interested to push the market in the downward direction. So in order to have that, you need to wait for the confirmation, which can come in the form of a strong candlestick pattern. This was the candlestick pattern that shows that yes, now the sellers are interested, as this shows the volume as well as the intensity of the seller. The other thing which I also considered was this level of support. As you can see, market goes up, it goes down, it reverses from this level, which means that this is a higher low swing on a smaller time frame. Now on a smaller time frame, this is a higher low swing. If market break this swing, the price action will break and it will turns in the favor of downward trend. Why? Because as this was an uptrend, if price action break this swing low, then market will fall down. This candle break the lowest this candle broke the higher low swing, as well as it shows the strength of the sellers. Market was weak and it was at the strong resistance level, and that's why I placed it. Although market is moving, it is, as you can see, the buyers and the sellers are fighting, the traders are fighting to push the market on a certain direction, but still, as you can see, this level is strong, and that's why market is holding to this level. So all together, I have used a candlestick pattern, the momentum, the weakness. I used the weakness of the market, and I used a strong level of resistance, which I usually call as the extreme level of resistance, because they are very strong and they can reverse the market. So all in all, I use all these setups to place this trade, and I hope that you have learned the trading setup according to this session. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.